Welcome back to the channel, Ron. Today I'm going to talk real quick about the emergency light that I installed a while back. Some of the comments I've been getting is that, they live in an apartment and they really don't have access to be able to install something like this in their wall, getting involved with the electricity and that kind of thing. One of the things that you could do is you could offer to purchase one of these. They're relatively cheap, like I had shown you before, and give it to the landlord and have them install it for you. Now, the other thing that you can do is you could go with these little wall switches. These are real cheap. You can get these anywhere. I got 4 of these from Amazon, I think for like 20 bucks. And this is just an LED light that you could put actually up over your light switch. So if you lose the power, you can just go to the next switch up, which would be this one, and you could turn on that light. So that would kind of give you access to, emergency doors and that kind of thing. What's nice about these is there's multiple ways to install these on the wall. You've got some Velcro strips here that come with it. You just peel off the label, and then you leave the Velcro on, and you stick it on the wall. When you pull it off the wall, the Velcro strips will stay on the wall. And then if you want to go with a magnetic type, you can take and put this on like a panel. That's what I had done with this one. Plug it on a panel, and it'll stay there. And then my personal favorite is just using the screw hole here. Just put a screw in the wall, and then you can just kind of hook it there, and it will stay there. And that works out really well. You have to be able to be able to get access to this because you want to be able to get to the batteries when you need to replace them. It takes 4 AAA batteries to operate this device. So that's pretty much all there is to it on this. Again, I got these off from Amazon. Put a link down below on where you can get those. So I hope this helps, and stay tuned for the next one.